We are looking at how to pronounce this surname, as well as how to say more hard-to-guess names in English, but we're going to be looking at how to say it in German as well, because this is the name of a wealthy Jewish family originally from Germany. So for reference, in German, it's actually easier to say in German as Rothschild. Rothschild. In English, however, it is normally pronounced as Rothschild. 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 It's not easy to do. Rothschild. Did you get this? Can you get the pronunciation right? Let me know in the comments. Rothschild. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.